guys, welcome back to Sheena Showtime. I have now officially arrived at the Plage Noire Festival, and it is Saturday because I have just booked this specific day because most of the bands which I wanted to and intended to see are directly playing on this specific day, and I am just generally overly excited. So I'm back. As you've possibly already noticed, I have exchanged my background, and I just wanted to show you that we have a tiny balcony, which is one of my dreams because my true, authentic and home of my heart is the Baltic Sea, and this festival is simply located at the Baltic Sea, so it is perfect for Sheena. But yeah, I just wanted to keep you updated with everything. In half an hour I have to leave. I actually do want to leave as well for a special autograph session with 𝖊𝖓𝖊𝖊𝖓, which has ever been one of my favorite bands. I do have to confess to you guys that I'm so overly excited about this autograph session, and I hope that everything turns out fine. Although the weather is kind of bad at the moment, as you can possibly see. I'm not fully sure if the camera gets all those features, but it actually is snowing currently, which is not that good because I have expected sunny weather, which didn't last long. It is not the best change which I would want to imagine, because I have lots of different tasks on my plan to do. Stay as gloomily precious as you obviously already are, and now I'm going to be heading to the autograph session, which is perhaps the most important point of my task list today because I am just dying out of excitement. And yeah, so give me some additional support and some little doses of bat powers. Yeah, so bye for now and see you soon.
Geschlagen, so habt ihr's gewollt. Nun lasset uns tanzen und singen und schreien. Hochfahren und Spielleut für euch ganz allein. Ein Hochfahren und Spielleut für euch ganz allein.
Welcome back, guys. I have now officially returned to my apartment room where I just returned from all the different things which I wanted to just store in this specific room to not carry them around with me when I'm going to the beach, because I will be heading to the official and true Plage Noire in some minutes. So this officially is the bed in which I am going to be sleeping this night after all the after-show parties and the concerts, of course. And I just randomly unpacked my bag, because if it's not my gloomy mansion, then this apartment must be turned in a true black mess. So we have various things which I was able to get, and for which I was longing for, of course. So I have chosen a mug, a tiny mug, a 𝖊𝖓𝖊𝖊𝖊𝖓 mug, which I have pre-ordered, of course, something large. This was the main reason for me to just unpack my stuff at home first before I'm going to the beach. Even though this would be kind of comfortable for the beach as well, but I just want to store this in a safe place to not get it damaged or just lose it on my way. I've also pre-ordered the 𝖊𝖓𝖙𝖊𝖊𝖓 for which I was longing for such a long period of time, believe me. And I've also got it signed, as you can see, and lots of autographs, because I am way happier than I could have ever been. I also received my official festival wristbands, whereas the wristbands last year have been more in a blue edition. This one is kind of rat themed, and it also has an octopus on it. I'll be leaving in some minutes for the beach because the weather is going to be a lot better than before, and I just want to get some more energies to dissolve into all the concerts, which are going to be starting at 4 p.m. So I surely have about 2 hours to spend just casually on the beach. So see you soon in the next video episodes, whenever that will be. Have a marvelously gloomy day, as always. So bye for now.
Black